crazy.
We could definitely go like 30 more miles.
No!
At least.
Oh my god.
Enjoy your dinner.
Get the key, get the key.
You go get the key.
I can't. Oh my
Why?
God, it's starting to rain. Because you're skinny and you'll get under there. Quick, see it?
Oh my god.
I'll hold you. I'll hold you. Oh my god, oh my god, I hate lightning. Ah.
It's just thunder.
It's lightning too.
Why'd you have to drop the key under the car?
It was an accident.
Oh my god. We're going to casting.
I want to get some a little bit closer. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the family, guys. So we're going to start nice and easy with our trivia. We're going to ease.
Wait, did I start recording? I can't tell. I did. We're going to casting. I almost crashed into people. I wish I could turn it. Say hi, Jason.
Hi,
That's Jason. What's your role?
I am attractions at Epcot Future World.
Woo! He's attractions at Epcot Future World. We met him at casting. I really should. We're at the Polynesian. That's Victoria. Everybody's walking so fast.
Oh, it's not in here.
Say hi, Rebecca.
Hi.
That's Kaylin.
Hello.
That's
No.
Elizabeth.
I'm just like 15
You guys met
minutes from
Megan earlier. Okay. I'm really bad at this. We're getting Dole Whip. This is Liam. Hi, Liam. Look, it's our friend Jason. Hi, Jason.
How's it going?
You can't really see me, but consensus on Dole Whip, it's okay.
Oh,
I don't personally like it because I don't like pineapple, but all my roommates love it.
ew.
We're going to watch Wishes.
Yeah, Mickey's not. That's it. It's not nearly it.
Baby Moana has sand on her toes. How cute.
That's on Finding Dory.
I don't know.
You should have made one. Oh, it's not purple. They should have made it.
Wait, I'm serious. That's what I love.
Yeah.
Hi. Hello.
Four.
Where do you think their station is?